welcome to Galaxy's Kids. Today we're going to open small doll, the big L to all the way to small. So let's get started. And here it's hand, ball. And ball hand, that's a clue right there. To her daddy missile there. This tab is too small. And guys, if you can guess her name off this little hint, then very well. And you can also type her what you think her name is in the description. And here you see it looks like a ball, a soccer ball. And here's a bunch of little packets and stuff we need to open. But here is a collector's guide. We can take a look at that real quick. This is because it's helpful. So here is, so there is some cheerleaders. Oh, I can hold it. So, we're ready to open the first pack. So, it's a card of who we are getting and her team. On the back is her team.
Team Rockets.
What's her name?
It is Gatorbug.
That's actually in your multi-character too, so, and here she is, naked girl. And see what her water bottle looks like. Her water bottle is a sports water bottle, and she is number 46. And here we have a little pumpkin. You get to see when we reveal. Oh, it's her sports shoes. She can't play sports without shoes. And here is her outfit, her sports outfit for her team. Skirt. And then you can. And then this thing is really where it just attaches. It's very hard to get on for some reason. And then, so here we are gonna try to put on her stuff. I might have to ask for help if I can't do this. There. Get your shoe on. You wanna get your socks dirty? Yeah. She said she wants to get your socks dirty. Yeah, I don't care. I'm gonna run down naked too. Again, this is Jitterbug. Okay, we're gonna start. Well, I have to wait. My brother's gonna help me out open it. So opening this. Yes. No.
It'll be better because I think
So while my brother's helping me out, we're just gonna start opening this, and hopefully she'll have her outfit on soon and her shoes. Cannot forget about the shoes. Really important.
Do the outer layer.
What?
Do the outer layer first.
What? Like this?
Yeah.
She was.
here is her.
Fully dressed. Wait, why is it showing her belly? This should not be showing her belly. And then here's your water bottle with her. It completely matches, too. Oh man, someone got me dressed. I'm running around naked one day again. Hopefully it's soon, too. Okay, I don't know why she's going crazy about running around naked, but that's what she's doing. It's horrible. It is not horrible. And then also we have a stand for her. It's a stand for her, and then I don't think you can stand on top of a ball. Yes, I can. I told you you can't. Oh, you were just a bunch of liars out there. People can stand on ball without hurting. Ah! I'm okay. Oh. Yeah. What? Oh, that's how you stand on it. Jeez. Okay. I forgot it could be a color changer. A color changer, which is right there with the star. And then a spitter, which is right there. And then a tinkler or a crier. So, I forgot to mention that about her. The magic is water, so water plus something. Use the comments down below and if you think she or the pet is going to be spitter, color changer, tinkler, or crier. And here oh my god, I've been wanting this so bad, guys. This cat right here. This cat right here. I've been wanting her since forever. Meow. And yeah, we have cats, so we do have cats. We love them. And this is the Meow Meow Select, where it shows you what to do. So, look, this is the Meow Meow Select. And then here is, well, if you put an animal into the water, it color changes. Warm water or like cold water. I missed something for the soccer girl. This is a bag to put like her cat and stuff to soccer. So yeah, so she can bring her cat to soccer. I don't know why she would want to do that. Like why? Why a cat to soccer? And then we do the meow, whatever this is behind you. Oh, the cat is I'm gonna steal sunglasses, even though these are mine, but you took them. Meow, 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 meow.
It's a cool cat.
And she. Cute. So I'll show you. So like, I do pink. That do those in the front.
I got it.
And then do this on the back. And then while he's getting this kitty ready for stuff, I'm gonna open this up. This is actually a mini version pet. Right there. Poor puppy, he only has a head. Oh no, Puppy is dead. Where did Puppy go? I don't know. Maybe he left with his only head. Oh, Galaxy, get out of the camera. You're not a star of this. Galaxy, get.
It lays right in the middle of the floor.
Cool. We do have a keychain to its ball. So it's like a backpack.
It's the finished kitty.
This has a little shower Oh, this has a house. This is cool, guys. It's like a little mirror bathroom. Teeny bathroom. I don't think anyone else can go in this bathroom, guys. I swear.
The kitty's drinking some milk.
I told you it was a bathroom. There's a little bathtub.
That little guy must be really small to fit in that bathtub.
Look, this is his packet. So small. Probably even smaller for you guys on camera. It's so cute. So cute. It's a little duck. But the little duck doesn't want anyone else to see his bathroom. So it's taking a little cute bath in his bathtub. Yeah, I'm sailing to. Wait, I don't want to sail to death. I don't want. Hey, get out of here! You're not my bathtub.
Birds hate cats hate birds.
No, they're friends. Wait, what? So now we're gonna start playing with them. Hey, get me my water bottle, owner. I'm gonna get payback on you, yeah. Ew, what is that smell? Kitty, come back here.
Explosion!
What did you? So tell them all you got.
So here is my characters. I'm gonna line up my characters next to each other. Ooh. And then then the water bottles. There's only like 2 water bottles. Wait, this. And then the little things it came with.
So what was your favorite one, Ellie?
My favorite one was probably this little guy. His name is Tiny. His name is Bootshaw. That's funny. His name is like, it starts with his name.
What happened to his bathtub? It was flipped over. All the water got into the floor.
Yeah, and look. Oh my gosh, this is. I think if you get like all of them, it may make a little house, guys.
Slingshot. I have a slingshot.
But there's actually more things. Let me show you. You're the best. And these are like the little accessories. Little accessories that came with. First there was a bag. There's a bag. And then we're gonna actually start playing there, and then all this little stuff. And now we're gonna really start playing.
All right. We'll see you next time.
No, we're gonna start playing with them. Bye.
See you next time from Galaxy Kids.